Right then folks, it's time to get one's backside back to the UK, back to Gatwick. Early one this one, 8:55 flight, Malta back to Gatwick. It's going to be a short video, this one, showing you basically what LUQA airport here in Malta's like. So you've got the departures there, you straight out onto the buses. I've got the taxi transfer and a little bit of a car park. It's only going to be a really small airport, this one. Anyway, let's go. Right, case is in, checked in. It's actually 8:40, you can see there, KM 116. Be helpful if I actually knew what time I were taking off, but I do a lot of flying. I'm tired, I've been up since 4 this morning. So, a few destinations there. So yeah, you've got all your check-in desks there, you've got Costa Coffee, all very small really, so yeah. Anyway, departure gates over there, straight into security. I can't film up there, so I'll see you in security, see you in duty free. Yeah, 8:40. Right, cleared security, that was piss easy. Now in duty free. And we're coming back for my ciggies in a bit, as regulars know. I'm a smoker, so do like to top them up. Your fragrances, not really for me. That is definitely for me. Yep, know somebody well will be attacking this little area. It's a chocolate. Now I've lost 2 stone in recent months, so I don't want to be putting it back on. Dairy milk. Yeah, something for everyone. Yeah, going to nip in there for a brew in a bit. Might have had quite a bit of coffee this morning. I'll be bouncing off the walls shortly. So yeah, just a look around the terminal really. So only a very, very small airport. They've got a smoking area. That's always a pro. Hey. Very little airport. So you've got your outlets as well. Got your Smiths. Right, try and find some planes to close it off, and I'll see you down there. Right, probably not the best vantage point in the world, but it's the best I'm going to get, unfortunately. That is Malta Airport. Very little to it. It looks like it's going to be a bus over to the plane. That's what we did on the way in here. Look for your gate and then get a little bus over to the aircraft itself. So right, anyway, I'm gonna go and get some cigarettes, get myself another brew, and then I won't be far off getting myself sorted to fly back. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed these last couple of days. I've had a great time, nice break from it all. And I said to anybody, get yourself over to Malta. It's a lovely place. Everyone's really, really friendly. A very sort of UK feel to it. It did used to be one of the colonies back in the day. But yeah, I'd definitely come back. So anyway, that's it. Don't know what there's going to be in the next few weeks. Just keep tuned. Blackpool and Gardaland are booked in for the sort of end of March. Look out for videos on them. And then loads of stuff over the summer. So, yep. Continue to view and subscribe if you like. Anyway, thank you for watching. And I'll set you out for now.